Hi, Kevin Murphy here. I'm going to tell you why I made the new leave-in repair treatment. Hair colouring techniques have changed a lot in the past few years, and now the hair has a very different porosity from the roots to the tips. A leave-in treatment has more advantages than a rinse out because the ingredients can go on working for 24 hours or more. Leave-in repair uses proteins from green peas and enzymes from pineapple and papaya, keeping the hair soft and manageable and improving the condition of the hair from the first use. Hydrolyzed keratin protein mimics the peptide sequence naturally found in the hair. This repairs the surface of the hair. It contains jojoba seed oil for elasticity and softness, and bamboo extracts for strength. Leave-in repair reduces moisture loss, protecting and improving the quality of the hair over time. So here are the final results of the leave-in repair treatment. Shiny, glossy, weightless hair with the added bonus of heat protection.